Welcome to my channel, How to Knot. In this video, I'll be doing a demonstration on how to tie a figure 8 loop. Beyond a general purpose knot, this can also be used in climbing, camping, and sailing. First, double up the rope to create a bight. Create a loop. Wrap the free end around one more time and then feed it through the loop. Tighten the knot and dress accordingly. This is quite a simple loop to tie and holds its form easily even when stiffer ropes are used. It has an unmistakable design, so it can be easily distinguished from other knots, therefore easily checked during a safety inspection. Unfortunately, it is harder to untie after a load has been applied or even adjusted. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.